Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Little Cloppy. So, today we are going to learn A to Z along with the birds' names. So, let's get started. A for Arakari. Arakari. B for Banana Quit. Banana Quit. C for Canary. Canary. D for Dove. Dove. E for Eagle. Eagle. F for Flamingo. Flamingo. G for Goldfinch. Goldfinch. H for Hawk. Hawk. I for Inca. Inca. J for Jay. J. K for Kingfisher. Kingfisher. L for Lyrebird. Lyrebird. M for Macaw. Macaw. N for Nightingale. Nightingale. O for Ostrich. Ostrich. P for Partridge. Partridge. Q for Quail. Quail. R for Robin. Robin. S for Skylark. Skylark. T for Tailor Bird. Tailor Bird. U for Umbrella Bird. Umbrella Bird. V for Vulture. Vulture. W for Wagtail. Wagtail. X for Xenops. Xenops. Y for Yellow-bellied Prinia. Yellow-bellied Prinia. Z for Zanzibar Red Bishop. Zanzibar Red Bishop. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Happy learning!